In this lesson, we will add and subtract matrices. When you add and subtract matrices, we need to make sure that they have the same order. In essence, what that means is they need to be exactly the same size. And if they are the same size, we find the sum or difference by adding or subtracting the elements that are in the same position. So for instance, in my first one, notice this is a 2 by 3 and this is a 2 by 3. So they have the same order. I can add by taking 0 plus 5, which is 5. 9 plus 5, which is 14. So notice I'm just adding corresponding elements. 20 plus 11 is 31. My second row, 4 and -1 is 3. -3 and -6 is -9. And -4 and 0 is -4. Now when you're subtracting, the only thing that you have to watch out for is of course to ching or keep flip change. So I'm going to keep this, I'm going to turn this into plus, and I'm going to change every single sign in the second matrix, and then I'm going to add just as I did in my first example by adding corresponding elements. So 0 plus -5, 9 plus -5, 20 plus -11, 4 plus +1, -3 plus +6, -4 plus 0, and there's my solution. So as long as they're the same size, you can add or subtract them. With subtraction, you should treat it just like you would with a distributive property and a negative. Here are a couple for us to practice together. This first one, this is a 1 by 3 matrix, and this is a 2 by 3 matrix, so it's not possible for me to add those together because they are two different matrices. For the second one, I'm subtracting, so again, I'm going to change it to plus. I'm going to change every single sign in the second matrix, and then I'm just going to add the matrices together. -3 plus 11, -9 plus -4, 4 plus -2, and 6 plus 5. There's my solution. For my last one, it's just addition. So I have -2, -4, -4, 7, 0, 7. Similar questions for you to try, so try all three, then press play to check your work. For the first one, again, not possible. I've got a 2 by 2 and a 1 by 3. Those are not the same size, so I can't add or subtract them. For my second one, again, this is addition, so -3 plus 3, -9 plus 9, 4 plus -4, and 6 plus -6. So I end up with a lot of zeros. And the last one, again, this is subtraction, so before I do anything, I'm going to change to plus, then change every single sign in my second matrix, and then I'm just going to add the matrices. So 5 and 1 is 6, -2 and -8 is -10, -3 and -9 is -12, 0 and -6 is -6, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 4 plus -3 is 1.